let's make chicken pot pie. It's 2 tablespoons of butter. Just let that melt away in your pan. And let's watch every agonizing minute. At least I sped it up a little bit. Okay, so then add 3 tablespoons of sifted flour so that it doesn't have any lumps, and keep stirring it. And then add 2 cups of chicken broth. And you could, while you're doing all that, pressure cook a chicken for about 30 minutes and get the chicken broth out of it for this sauce. And after you get your chicken out of the pressure cooker, cut off a breast and cube it up. And then put some chopped up carrots in the pressure cooker and cook those for about 8 minutes. And then keep stirring that sauce so that it gets nice and thick. It takes about 8 minutes or so to do that, so plenty of time for your your carrots to cook. And after you get done stirring and letting that thicken up, you do have to stir it a while there, but it will get done. And there's your cubed up chicken. And put those in your little baking dishes. And then add some carrots. And then add some peas. And then add that sauce to it. And also make some biscuits. And cut them out about the size of your tops there. Brush them with some buttermilk. And then cook the whole thing in the oven on 425 for about 15 minutes. And then they look like that. And my dad said it was okay.